Oh my word, I want to sneeze. Dear individual taxpayer, if you didn't know, the 20th of October is around the corner, and that is when you actually have to file your income tax return. Now, something I want to ask you, if you're an individual taxpayer, have you considered whether you might be a provisional taxpayer as well? One of the things that I usually find with individuals is that oftentimes they do not know that they are provisional taxpayers as well. So provisional tax, or who would qualify to be a provisional taxpayer if you're an individual, is if you are a salaried earner, so you earn a salary, and you have additional income. So let's think about it. You have a side hustle, and let's say the side hustle generates you income of more than 30,000 Rand a year. That would automatically mean that you are a provisional taxpayer, and that means you would then have to register as a provisional taxpayer and also submit provisional tax returns. So what I often find is that individuals who earn additional sources of income outside of their normal salaries that they have at their place of work qualify as provisional taxpayers and need to declare the income that they earn from these additional sources of income to SARS through submitting a provisional tax return. But in next week's Tax Tuesday, I will unpack more about who provisional taxpayers are, when to submit a provisional tax return, who is a provisional taxpayer, and if you find yourself being a provisional taxpayer, what are the next steps that you should do? But in the interim, if you do think that you are a provisional taxpayer, please do reach out to us and we'll be happy to assist you. So we have a question from someone on LinkedIn, and they asked a question for Tax Tuesday. So here we go. My sister did a crack year in 2023 and was employed. She was on pay-as-you-earn. That means that she paid payroll taxes, or they were deducting pay-as-you-earn from her. Last year and this year, meaning 2024 and 2025, she has been studying again. So her accountant is saying she doesn't need to do any tax filing. But she has been working as a research assistant. So let's just have context. She's a student, but she has a part-time job as a research assistant and is getting paid for it. So is it still true that she doesn't need to file anything? So what do you guys think? Give me some answers as to what you think, and I'll share the answer on our next edition of Tax Tuesdays.